Hi guys, I am still alive.
Yeah, unfortunately.
When I started doing the videos, I was told to always keep uploading.
Failed, huh?
Well, I've been sick as a dog on and off for like 2 weeks.
Pussy.
And I keep trying, so I guess the new way is to make videos from bed.
Oh my god, House Sparrow, what a joke.
Keep trying to get up. I've been trying to for 2 days.
He's lying, it's only been 1 3/4. Blue Hippo for president.
Because you're a pussy. My back is killing me, and I get lightheaded, so I try to go get food so my blood sugar doesn't drop. But on the way to the fridge, my blood sugar starts dropping, so I have to come back to the bed so I don't fall over by the fridge. Or shut, because my mom keeps it at negative 5,000 degrees, and this helps. This is like my, I don't know, third try to get to the, nope, not gonna happen. You don't need drugs, just don't eat for a while. Okay, I'm gonna try again in a minute. So, I waited like 10 minutes, drank some water, and, no, So giraffes are funny. Oh, and I redecorated. That's a map of Westeros. You're gay. Shut up. Here we go again.
Or not.
Nope. And I fell and I fucked up my back bad. So that's an added bonus for this adventure. In through nose, out through mouth. Miyagi say, oh my god, that was a Karate Kid reference. I'm old. Thanks, Marco. And I hit my nuts. Oh. Crazy how dizzy you get. Who needs acid when you got this? Huh? You don't even need Planet Fitness even. You need your trips and your workout. Your workout at the same time.
Bitch, the power of Grayskull. I win. Yeah, take that,
Hi. So my day has basically consisted of trying to get out of bed.
Oh god, here he goes.
Trying to drink water. And talking on the phone with, well, not talking. Yeah, talking. We don't do that anymore. That's something they used to do in the olden days.
Oh my god, spit it out. House Sparrow.
Reading
messages
messages on DGN and Facebook by like Bobby and Tron and Ash. Ash, thank you for the shares. And Paul, you need to post more. Oh my god. When was your last post? Cynthia, John, Michelle, I read Scary Guy's posts, but you know how he is.
Oh my God, is he done talking yet?
David and Tina, who helped me out yesterday a lot. And also I have the power of Grayskull. That's what this is.
Big accomplishment, House Spiral. Ha!
For my next attempt, 16 hours from now, I'm going to get a salad. That's going to be epic. Mark your calendar. About 5 tries to get this box in here, and I decided it's not good being in here, but what it is, okay, I'm going to have to fight with this box because I don't have a knife and I'm not getting up to get one. Hang on. And it is, I know this is real video editing software from Bobby. Thank you, Bobby. Now, one day I can get to the computer and use it. But this is awesome. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching us too.
You're still a slacker.
Like Casey says, that's a vlogger. Always keep uploading. Even if you don't like the video, somebody else might. And it might take me a little while. I have several videos ready to go, but I don't want to do them without this. So there's like a learning curve involved.
Yeah, for people with their head up their ass.
Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Please. Share. Oh my God, share. Share. Seriously, share.
Who would share this broke back shit?
Anyway. Hugs are good. Jerks are bad. Spiral out. That was twice as hard as the granola bar, but ha! Fuck you, universe.